So we have a Toyota Prius here. This car came in this morning for a lot of things actually. We're doing front brake pads, front rotors. We're doing tires on this car as well, along with suspension work, tune-up, service, and we're gonna wrap it up and release it to the customer today.
What the are you doing?
Just got done.
There's a customer in the front. Go fucking take this off and go.
We just got done with the brake job.
This is 2020 coming up. We're just gonna roll with it.
By the way, that's a very, very good choice of drink.
Yeah.
Look what he's drinking.
Yeah. Only thing we missing a little happy in it, that's all.
Here we have a 2017 Aventador. The customer gave us a call after hours, told us that he spun out and he went into a bush. The car was hit in the front, so we're changing the front bumper, we're changing the two headlights, we're changing the fender. Also, there is internal damage underneath that we haven't got to yet. We're gonna put it on the lift and see what's wrong with it. The door is gonna be replaced new from the Lamborghini dealership, and also the whole rocker panel will be replaced. The rear wheel is damaged as well, as he ran into the bushes. He was very sad, but we calmed him down, and now he's much better. From the impact of the left side, it hit the rear bumper, it broke the brackets in there, so automatically we need to put a new bumper on there. That's ordered as well. Now we're waiting on parts, all special order.
So we have a Volkswagen. Comment below if you guys know how to pronounce that. This car is in here for a battery problem. So it's a little bit different with this situation with the battery. The battery has acid coming all from inside, so it's pretty dangerous and it smells very bad. So it's not that it's not charging enough, but it's overcharging. So the alternator is overcharging. We have a 2002 Acura RL. This car is a special car for this customer. It was given to him from his grandma. It has a lot of value to him, so we're going to actually do a lot of cool stuff on this car. Look forward to this car. It's going to be an amazing project.
Took the original springs with coils, so now we're putting coilovers, our 4 tires, and we're replacing the pads and the rotors.
We have the shocks on the car already. As you guys can see, this is a high performance shock absorber on this car, so it is adjustable. We're going to adjust it to wherever we want it to be. As soon as the 20s are on this car, it's going to sit perfect. This is specially made for this Acura RL, by the way. This is not just like any other shock that you can order and just have and put on your car. This is a special shock for this car, and we have it. So we can get anything you guys need. Come see us for all your automotive needs. Yes, these are the 20-inch wheels for this Acura RL we're going to put on the car. This is exciting. This customer is going to be so happy, so happy. He's going to love this car. So as you guys know, this is a 2002 Acura RL. The paint on this car throughout the years, you know, it's gotten worse and worse. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do a paint job on the hood as well. Blackout is gonna be done. Grill is gonna be done on the car. We're getting new tints on the car. Wheels, tires, brake calipers, everything's gonna be black on this car.
Here we have a S-Class hybrid. It was hit in the rear, so we painted the bumper. We waited a couple days for it to dry, and now we're rewrapping it again. Yeah, we usually wrap this, so he just got hit in the back, so we just have to paint it, wait for it to dry, because usually sometimes they paint the car and then they wrap it, so later when they take out the wrap, the paint comes off, so you have to wait for it to dry about 2 to 3 days, so it's safe to remove the wrap in the future. charge it from.
So we have wrapped up the Toyota Prius, all good to go. This was a lot of work today on this car. We did finish everything. All the parts were available, and customer is super happy because she needed the car tonight. So good to go. Another one out of the way.
Did you just notice this?
I didn't know it was that bad.
Like the side angle, right?
Yeah, the side one, like my head's shining. It's like really bad.
Let's shave your
That's
head.
gonna be so bad. I'm never gonna see hair again. What if it doesn't grow?
Would you rather look like this? You look like a wraith. Two-tone. Shave it, bro. Let's shave it.
Quick update for you guys. Window tints are done. Hood's been repaired. Lowering kit has been installed on the car. We're also waiting for some new parts that are gonna be coming in. So one of them is that piece. So these are the old pads of the S63. It is already time for brake replacement. These are pretty bad. They're already down to the sensor, so the light's coming on. And we're going to do a brake job on this car, front and rear. It is exactly 427, and we have all the parts already from Mercedes here, original Mercedes parts. We're gonna knock this car out in less than an hour.
Here we have the S-Class hybrid. Got rear-ended from the back, so we had to rewrap it. And we're about to put it back on, detail the car, make it ready for the customer. Here we have the taillights for the S-Class. We remove it when we're removing bumpers so we don't scratch it. Quality control is #1 here.
Quick update on this Acura RL. We're gonna go ahead and finish it up. You guys are gonna see before and after. There's a big difference, so enjoy this one.
The S550 is done. It's wrapped, ready for a detail, and ready for delivery.
We have this S63 here. It was in here just for a brake job. It's been test driven. Brakes are perfect. We are washing the car right now so we can release it to the customer. Nice and perfect. It's still not 6 o'clock. We knocked this thing out in 1 hour.
Dude, the air conditioning is perfect.
This is the king of all Acura RLs.
Look, it's brand new.
This car came out nice. Even the cigarette lighter's brand new.
Hey, you gotta beat this bus.
Oh, if he wins, I'll leave the car here. Let's get my head start. Oh my god, it has heated seats. It even comes with an X.
What the f?
That smells good.
It does, right?
That smells good.
Here, open your mouth.
That's it. Oh,
Here, open your mouth. How are you? Hungry, man? Sure, man. Here you go, man. We got water for you, too.
Enjoy your pizza and your water, man.
Oh, man, that's a blessing, man. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. Stay cool.
My name's Troy. Thank you.
My name's Mano. Thank you.
All right, I'm going right over to Burger King and eat my ass off.
Oh shit, that was loud.
I wonder what would happen if somebody rear-ends us right now.
Acura RL is complete. We did a lot of work to this car. We did the blackout, we did the lowering kit, tints, grill. We also did a lot of body work as well. We fixed the hood on this car. This was a very important project from us to the customer. You don't have to basically have anything like extremely expensive like a Lamborghini, Ferrari, and if you do, great. And if you don't, one day you'll get it. So this is one of those projects and one of those good people that we helped out get this car going. He loves it and he's gonna drive it around every day. It's good to go. It's unbelievable how much work we get done in such, I mean, it's
Short
incredible.
time, but
3 different things, customization, body work, and service. It's incredible. And the phones are still ringing.
RDB 5-star, can I help you?